Hello, welcome back, and we'll proceed with the placement of the rebars on the tie beams, as you can see here. So I'll use this opportunity because our cutting plane is still underneath here, and it is revealing the whole. It is revealing all the tie beams here. So I can go ahead and start placement of the rebars and the tie beams. Now let me just scroll up, and we have the tool here that can help us in placement of tie beam reinforcement. So if I click on that and come all the way here and just select on the tie beam, then right click, and the rebars will be placed right there. And if you come here and select on that, and we can pick there, then right click and we place the rebars. Let me select that, right click, and for this moment, we will not bother in setting out how many rebars we need, just to show you which tool can we apply in creating, in placing the rebars on tie beams. So as we move further, I'll show you how we can customize it more, and you get used to customizing your own rebars. And let me just select on that, right click, and that has been created, and select on that, right click to confirm the rebar creation, then right click, select on that again, select the tie beam right there, and right click, and come select on that, and right click, and select on the tie beam reinforcement, and pick on that, and right click, and select on that tie beam tool, then select on that tie beam, then right click. Then you do the same here, and go ahead and right click to place the rebars. Select on that, right click right there, and we'll have placed the rebars inside the tie beams. So let me just select a tie beam right there, right click to place or to confirm the creation of tie beams, of rebars on tie beams. So let me just go ahead and select on the tie beam like that by left clicking, then right click to confirm the placement. So let me go ahead and do the same thing here, then right click. Perfect. Then come here again and do the same thing, and right click to confirm the placement of rebars on tie beam. So let me just click on empty screen and try turn this round, or pick your point of interest and right click and hold. So you can see I have my rebars in place, my pad footing rebars in place, and I have my tie beams rebar in place. So let me just turn that round so that you can have a clear look of that. So you can see that. Perfect. So this looks good, and you can see the lean concrete under that, or blinding. So let me just bring it close so that we can have a look of that. Perfect. And let's meet then when we'll be placing the rebars on columns and beams. So let's meet then. This is Morris Dimba, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and bye bye.